Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to receive and reply to WhatsApp messages on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So here is my phone and here is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I will send a WhatsApp message from another phone on this phone and also on my watch. So let's do it. And right now I will write how are you and send, and now I receive the message on my phone and also on my watch, and here is written how are you. Now to reply to this message, just go down. And we have here a bar, and if you will type here, it's open a keyboard, and from here you can write, let's try I'm, select I'm fine. It's a little difficult. Unfortunately, we don't have the option to dictate the text, and just press send then, or just delete, and you can select from these messages who are already written. I'm good, I'm good, and you, yes, please, okay. We have a lot here, a lot of answers, and just select one, and let's say the first one, I'm good, and then just press send. And if you don't want it, you can also send just an emoji. Press here and select the desired emoji, and then just press send. Let's send this. Sending. And here is the emoji. And also, if you wonder if you can send a photo from your phone to Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, yes, it's possible, and I will show you. Just select your own photo and then just press send, and I receive it on my phone and also on my watch, and here is the photo. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.